What's up everybody? In this video I will teach you about the top command in Linux or Unix based systems. If I see the shortman page of top command, it says display Linux processes. So it displays the Linux processes just like ps command, but this time it's uh, make it more visual for us humans to read and know what's going on behind the scene in the system. So if I type just top command, it displays some tables and I can scroll down and top, and it returns the PID of the process, the user that is executing that process, and PRNI, and a lot more information about that, CPU usage, time, and command that is used to execute that process. So these are the information, the total. As you can see, I return the total. So I have memory usage and a lot more information. So let's say I want to just return the information, the processes that are executed by the this user to see Zaman. So if I and to exit from this, you can press Control C. Now let's clear the screen. Now if I use top command and tag you, if I pass tag view flag, which means user. So if I pass the user, which is Tauseed Zaman, so this will, if I can type Tauseed Zaman, so now this will return the processes executed by the user Tauseed Zaman. Now if the same thing goes for the root user, so if I type root, it is going to return the processes that are uh, executed by the root user. So you can see some of them are getting more CPU usage and some of them are less. So that is top command in Linux or Unix based system, and the main page of top command provides a lot of more flags that you can pass. As you can see, take HV and take D, take N, take U. We talk about this and I pass this in this video. We can pass PIDs, we can pass take O and W, and they are providing a lot more information regarding this and teaching you how to do something with this. So that is top command and Linux or Unix based system. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.